So this is day 20, I believe, of coding every day. Um, Now we're gonna really be starting on some of this Arduino stuff. Right now I'm gonna be trying to do uh the blinking, the blinking LED. I'm gonna try doing this on the Arduino. Um, and then probably do a little bit some more projects, working on some like uh taking inputs and outputs and stuff like that. But for now, I'm gonna try doing the blinking LED. Um, so with what you can see what I have open right now. Um, so in the startup is when is gonna be like run once, like it says repeatedly. So in this loop is where I want it to blink on and off. So let's see. So with this, if we look at the Arduino, so this one doesn't have a really good one. Get rid of that. I'm gonna probably have to zoom out on this. But like, so there's like these different pins and everything like that. Um, like pin 13. So that's so what I want to do is I want to write. I believe for the test LED, yeah, it's gonna be 13. So I think I want to write to pin 13. Yeah, I think I want to write to pin 13 on and off basically. So like high and low. So I want to write, yep, write a high or low value to a digital pin if the pin is being configured as an output with pin mode. Okay, so configures the specified pin to behave as either an input or an output. So what I want it to be, um, I want the pin mode to be an output. So it's just gonna be pin mode and then pin and then mode. So I think it's gonna be 13, and then I want to set it to output. I'm not sure if, okay, it is a curly break. Oh, I think this is it right here actually. Um, but yeah, so it is a, looks like it is a um, semicolon language. Wasn't 100% sure, but just to practice, we're going to go to write. And so digital write, and then so it's going to be pin and then value. So 13, I'll do high, oops, high, and then I want to wait a little bit. So I think there's a delay button or delay function. Yep, delay. Pauses the program for amount of time in milliseconds. Um, so let's do delay in milliseconds. I'll do 1000 milliseconds because it says, and then I think I just want to copy this and then go here and then just make this low. I think this is really going to be it, to be honest. Gonna save this, um, verify, see if it compiles. Done compiling. So then I think I click upload, done uploading. And then I think that might be it. So I'll go ahead and try to get you guys to see this as well. But so my, my cord can't quite reach where um where I'm trying to show you guys with this. So I'm gonna have to use a separate power. Um, but I think I think the kit I got will work out for this. Um, so we'll see if this turns on real fast. Well, I guess I'll check out to see if this turns on before. I show it to you guys, but if it doesn't work, then I'll just have to run these tests. You guys just have to trust me. You're just gonna have to believe that I'm actually doing it. But let's see. I'm trying to open this battery real fast. So let's see. Then I plug this into the power. Okay, cool. So it looks like it's working. So I'll show you guys real quick. Let's see if this camera is on. Cool, perfect. Um, oh, shoot. Okay. So real quick, as you can see, so this test LED is gonna be this orange one right here. So it blinks about like every 1 second. Blah, 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 blah. So I think that should be working. Yeah, this is the little power thing I had to get set up. But now we're gonna try doing something a little bit different. So what we're gonna try doing now, um, what I want to try doing now is kind of making it so I can make it blink with a button. So first, let's see. So I will probably have to read an input. So here, read the value from specified digital input, either high or low. So let's see. So like, yeah, make it an input, and then so this is the variable, and then it's gonna be like, read this, and then all right. So that, wow, this is actually code I wanted to do. It looks like. I promise I'll try to do something a little bit more creative in a little bit. Just going to try to see if I can get this set up. Let's see. So I think I have a button, but I'm not 100% sure if I actually do have a button. Okay, so I should have a button in this little kit I got. Um, so I'm just gonna see if I can find it real quick. This is not a button. These are not buttons. Um, what does this button look like? Okay, these are not buttons either. Um, cool, cool. I think are one of these buttons. So it should have 5 buttons. That's what it says at least. Oh, I think I found them. Okay, I found them. Cool, cool, cool. So I found the buttons that I want. Um, yeah, so I found the button that I'm looking for, and then I'm going to basically read a what's it called? Huh. Okay. So to read from a button, let's see. Which pin do I want to use? I mean, it's one of the digital pins, I believe. Is that what digital read says? Oh yeah, it's a digital pen. So one of these digital pins on my thing. Um, I'll just say digital sevens right there at the top. So okay, so then I want to set pin mode 7 to input, and then I'll do int on equals 1. So it should be on. Yeah. Okay. So what I will do is I will grab this real quick. Um, let's see. Grab this. Okay. So I'm gonna pull out this breadboard. make it a little easier. If I could figure out how to do it. Wow, I can't open this breadboard. I'm just really struggling right here. Let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna cut it open. It's good enough for me. And then, okay. Hmm. So real quick, let's see. Turning on an LED, not with Arduino, on a breadboard. So you connect it to ground. Because you connect it to ground and it gets its power from the Arduino. Okay, that's what I was thinking. Because I think you need to have a power and a ground that you run it through to actually have the current run through it. Um, okay, cool. So let's go back to this. So just real quick, let's write the code first before I start building it on the breadboard, because we can build that together. Um, let's see. So pin mode in. What I want to do is I want to do a digital read or read from pin 7, and that's it. But I want to set on equals to this, and then I'll do on. I think this might be it. Let's try it. I'm gonna have to see if it compiles. Okay, on is not declared in the scope. Ah, I had to make this global, which I probably have to put up here then, just like this. Now let's see if this compiles. Okay, cool, compiled. I'm gonna have to plug my Arduino in real quick. Let's see. It's a little finicky. Let me get that in. Cool. And then upload. Uploading. Okay, done uploading. So, oh wait, no, okay. No, what I want to do is actually, I want to write it to a different pin to do it to an LED. So, not 13. Um, can't see my read right now. There's these digital pins. I'll just do 6, I guess. So instead of, no, I don't want, yeah, I'll do 6, just make it easy. And then here, okay. So here, 6 as well, just like this. Let me verify. Cool. And then I'm gonna upload this. Uploading, done uploading. Okay, cool. So let me grab this real fast. There you go, got it out. Okay, and then we'll build it. We'll build this together so we can see it. Let me just turn the desk camera on. Kind of got shifted a little bit, but we're gonna. Here you go, just like this. There you go. So let's see. So for now, I'll just do a yellow pin because it's the, or not yellow pin, yellow LED because it's the one I have right here. I believe the long pin is the power pin. Um, LED power pin. Uh, Yeah, but the longer one. The anode, cathode. That's the word. That's probably the correct terminology. Wait, that just is the correct terminology. So the longer one is um, the positive side, while the negative is the part I want to connect to ground. So here's what I'll do. I'm gonna get a male-to-male wire. What I want to do is I need to set. I'm just gonna grab this red one real fast. Let's see. I'm just gonna do this, grab this red one if I can. I can. So this red one. So okay. So my output is pin 6. So this one's my output. This is my output is pin 6, and this should connect to the power side of um, this LED. But I need to run it through a resistor. Let's see. I think I want to look for a 220 ohm resistor, I believe. Let's see if I can find one. Please, can't even open this. Okay, let's see. 2K, 1K. So I definitely should have like prepared all this before, but I did not. So let's see. Okay, so these should be 220 ohm. This is right here. So let me just. Here you go. So I have to run it through this. Okay. So I want to. I'm gonna put it on this side right here. So I want to set this shorter pin here. Oops. Okay. Then I want to power it through this resistor, which I'm just gonna put right here for now. Um, Jeez, am I? Let's see. So here, push this in right here. Okay. And then here. So I think I have the LED set up. Now I need to set up the battery. I mean not the battery, the button. So I'm not really sure how the button works to hook it up, but I will find out if I can. Okay. So let's see. Let me get one of these batteries out. Oops. Dropped something that's not very good, probably. Okay. Let's see. So I have my button, but how do I hook up the button? Let's see. Let's see. To hook up a button, usually connect one leg of the button to the power rail, and the other leg to the ground rail, and then connect the middle leg. Okay. Let's see. Let's Okay, let's see. So, okay, so let's kind of hook it up like how that is. Is it this way? Is it this way? Definitely not this way, so it's definitely this way. Okay, so let's see. So one is hooked up to power, one is hooked up to um, ground through a resistor, and then the other leg is just hooked up. Okay, okay, I see. This is a 10K ohm. Okay. Let's see. So you hook up the power and stuff to that. Yeah, whatever. Hook up both lines. Yep. That's hooked up to ground. Oh no, it's hooked up to power right here. So leg is hooked up to power. Okay. And I think it has a 10K, 10 kilometer ohm, and one 10 kilometer ohm resistor. Okay. Okay, so to make this easier, I'm gonna put this, huh, yeah, I'm just gonna put this right here, put this right here, um, and then, let's see, the button, I'll just hook up right here, and then I need to hook up the power, 5 volts. Definitely should use a different wire, but just even the ground is blue right here, but power, I want to do the 5 volts right here to this power rail, if I can. There you go. 5 volts to this power rail, and then I want to just hook up, I'll just say this leg to power, super, super easy. Then I need a 100 kilometer, 100 kilometer resistor. There you go. Here's a 100 kilometer ohm resistors. Um, here you go. 100 kilometer ohm, which I'll set this leg to ground right over here. I guess I'll set this leg, this leg right here to the ground rail. Yep, through that ground rail. I think these will have good connections. And then with this white one, I need to hook this up to the Arduino, which is this leg to 7. It's super, super ugly, but we'll get better at that. But time to kind of moment of truth-ish. Plug in the power. Um, and then did not work. Nothing happened at all. Um, huh. Nothing worked. Um, okay. Let me. Oh, okay. So that did not work. But let me try something. So here, I'll just remove this for now. I'll just hook it up right here. So this should, I believe, just turn on the LED if I have the right setup. Huh. Might not be great ideas, but let's try 3.3. Nope. 5. I feel like these aren't like stable connections. Huh. Let's see. So I guess I'll just try something like this. So power through, and then maybe I need an extra wire for ground. Um, I'm gonna have to just remove that for now. Make it hard. Ground, ground. Is it because it wasn't grounded? Ah, maybe that's why, because wasn't grounded. So that's what I'll do real quick. I'm gonna kind of move these around. I'm gonna move the ground here. Oh, that did not stick in at all. Ground, ground. Um, so yeah, this is hooked up to ground, so this ground should be working. This is reading here, and then 5 volts have to reach here. Anyways, here. Well, it turned it on, but it's not turning it off. Oh, on, off. Is it because of the button though? It just turns off. Oh, I see. Hmm. So in my code, let me unpower this for now. Here's what I'm thinking is happening right now. So it reads it, and it reads on, so it reads that, and it says it's on, and this is, so here's what I'm thinking. This is still on the bus, it's saying it's on, but I need this to be like a toggle. So, so I want it to be a toggle, but here's what I'm thinking right now. Um, so on this digital read, it's reading from the 7 pin. So when I click it, it says it's high, so it says it's turning it on. And then what I want to do, so, okay, sorry. So on 7, when I click it, it says it's on, so it reads it as high. And then it reads it as high, it sets this to high, so it turns the LED on. But when I don't click it, it just reads it as off. But I think the high stays on the um 7 for a little bit. That's why it takes a while, but that's also why it's not flipping because it's just reading if it's high or not. What I want to do is have it read this, and then if it's high, I want to flip whatever's on, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna turn the camera off real quick, so just so I can get the Arduino plugged in, so I can start coding to it. But so let's see. I'm just going to plug it in real quick, and then let's see. So now I think I want to do like if statements. Okay. Is there variables? Okay, let me I really don't need a char. Okay, where's Boolean? Is a non-standard type. Okay, bool. Holds one of two values, true or false. Each bool variable occupies 1 byte of memory. Where's bool used here? Oh, here. So that's all I think I'll do. I'll use a boolean. So I'll say bool, and I'll equal to false for now. Okay. And then so what I want to do is here. I want to do an if statement. If this equals high, then I want to bool equals bool. And then I think that's it, honestly. Let's see if this compiles. Expected unqualified ID before, huh, what? Expected unqualified ID before, oh, not bool, on, on, there you go. Now let's verify. See if it compiles. Then I'll upload it. Cool, cool, cool. Let's see if this works. Plugging. If I can unplug it. There you go. Okay, perfect. And then let's see if it works. So I'll turn on the camera once again. Kind of gets moved every time I get up. Not very awesome, if I do say so myself. Let's see. So, okay. Trying to remember what each of these are. So this should be on the output, which is 6. No, yeah, 6 is output. 7 is input. blue is ground, and this other one is at 5 volts. I'll just do this one so it's like not as like crazy bent or anything. Time to turn it on. Ah, it did not work. Not sure what that button does, but I pressed it. Let's see. What is this button? Does this one say? Oh, reset button. Okay. Um, hmm. I mean, let's see. Nope. Huh. Hmm. Not analog. Bit. Um. Okay. Is there like a debug part? Huh. Really trying to figure this out. Um. Huh. I'll unplug this for now. I mean, I believe it's reading the button. Maybe. I don't have no idea. Huh. I mean, it turned off faster. Huh. Let's see. A push button. We'll connect this one's code. The symbols right here. Hmm. Is it because it's the same ground? No, that can't be it. Ground is ground. Is mine any different than this though? Ground. It's being powered. It's being powered. Um, and the digital input. I believe it's reading the digital input. Let's see. Huh. Mm, That rest the two. Uh, State, input, output. Huh. So that's not exactly what I was looking for. Um, so I want it to be like a toggle. So like if the button is pressed, because right now it turns on, but I want to press the button. Oh, I mean turned off right there. But I want to press the button, then it turns off. So let's see. Arduino toggle button. Let me mix this so you guys can actually see a little bit. Mm. If the input just went from low to high and we've waited long enough to ignore any noise on the circuit, toggle that for the time. Millis. Um, Wait, what? Mm, Weird. Um, time millis. Which has never been passing that Okay, let's try this. Um, no. I mean, the wiring looks like it should be fine. Yep. The heck is okay. So it's current last. I don't know why how that just happened. Um, if LADC equals low, let's see. Okay, wait. If last button is pressed. Okay, so I guess that makes sense. So let's see. So what I want to do instead of this, do an integer, call it state. I'll just kind of copy this code. Low int last. Actually, I'll call it previous, or just previous int current, and then I'll just do current equals digital read, and then my input is 7. And then here, I want to do equals current, and then I want to do current equals digital read 7. And then I want to do if the previous equals high and current equals low, and then so then I want to do I feel like I can just do this, but I'll just delete that for now. If LED, I just called it state low, state equals high, else state equals low, and then state. Let's see if this compiles. Okay, compiled. Now we're going to upload. So, ouch, that shocked me. Let's upload it. So, to me, it makes sense, but also, hmm, it makes sense, but at the same time, not 100% sure. I don't even know if it uploaded. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. I totally forgot. Well, only one way to find out. So this is power. This is ground. This is input. This is output. Connect. Looks like it's still not really working. Um, I'll press it. Wow, it didn't even turn on. It's not even turning on now. Huh. So I don't even know if I think it uploaded. I really wasn't paying attention, so I don't even know if it did or didn't. But I'll probably be it today. I can't really get it to work. It's still kind of iffy, so I'll probably be working on this a little bit more tomorrow. But that'll probably be it for today.